The Juicing Masterclass. Get Jay's free juicing ebook. Click the link down below.
Now, there's another drink,
okay.
Will, that I want to make.
Popular
Yeah, I'm making the fall drinks. Now, this particular drink with a celery stalk, all right?
Oh, that was grapes and
apple, and a slice of lemon.
Okay.
Now, most people, when they stuff for a buffet celery, will take, and I agree, it's very difficult to masticate these strings, but the strings of celery are the most important part. Yeah, turn that up. The strings of celery have the potassium and magnesium, your nerve and digestive minerals. A fabulous drink if you're exercising to keep you from having muscle tetanus, because what this does, this sodium, which you need, you're a sea of salt inside, you need that sodium to keep from having a muscle cramp, you see? So people that work out, aerobics, play racquetball as I do and everything, they need that celery. So here's one of the greatest drinks in the world.
Who's an active person? They got more celery?
Yeah, no, that's all right. We'll just put one. I'm just showing them a few of these recipes, Will. And these are great. These are great recipes. And you know, you can have children become involved in this so easily, where they might not eat, say, the carrots or the parsley or the spinach. Well, if you get them involved with juicing, they can get 100% of the nutrients immediately, just like that.
Okay. Let's see. You call this what?
That is, well, I call it the Waldorf salad. You know, all that is really basically celery and apple.
Now, what's the best